I'm going to make a tutorial on how to download Calypso and install the new Bob Book transposable version on the app. So first you go to the App Store and search for Calypso. And there it is. And I've already downloaded it and deleted it, so I'll just download it again for you. It takes a minute or so to download. Alright, almost done. And then open the app, and then it's going to take you through its tutorial, and each screen has a fixed time on it. So you have to wait for the button to be available to hit. It wants to make sure you know how to work the app, I guess. So I'll just have to go through this. And then you'll see the next button highlight down at the bottom right hand corner each time it's ready to move on. Don't really need to know any of this, but I don't know if you're going to do other things in Calypso. Alright, here we go. And then click on Fake Books, which is in the left bottom corner, and then it's going to have a pop-up of this statement here. So you'll see there's in yellow download. Click that, and then it's going to take you through its own little tutorial. And after this tutorial is finished, it'll automatically send you to Safari if that's your default web browser. Takes a moment. Okay, and just click download in the middle of the page. And then click download again, and then you'll see there's an arrow pointing down in the upper right hand corner. That's where you're going to click on that little circle with the arrow in the middle, and you'll see I've done this a few times, and it works every time, but this is my third take here. So just click on, it'll be look like the bottom one, New Bob Book Transpose. It won't say 2 or 3. So click on Transpose, and then it takes a moment, I believe. And then there it comes. So you want to save and backup. So click on that. And it just takes another moment to save it, I believe. Or, no, there it is. Let's see. Click on that. There it goes. So microphone access, say okay, sure, okay. And there we go. So let's give it a little test run here. I'll click on a foggy day here, and you see the 2 flats there. You just click on that, and you'll see this is transposable, so that is pretty cool. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and you can share this if you'd like. You're getting this through a YouTube link, so you can share the YouTube link. So, all right. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye.